Welcome to today's video. So today we are going to see simple correlation coefficient. So let's start with the problem. Okay, so we are doing it again in Excel. So the problem, I have defined one problem. Let's take a data that is supposed to we are interested in investing the relationship between the harvested yield. This is harvested yield of a particular crop and the amount of rainfall and the amount of fertilizer. This is the our data. So let's see, we have three variables here, 1 2 3, and this is the data. We have around 35 of data. Okay, so let's begin with this. So for investigation the relationship between any two or three of these variables. Okay, so we need to compute the Pearson correlation coefficient between A, the yield of the crop and the amount of rainfall, then the yield of the crop and the amount of fertilizer, and then the amount of rainfall and fertilizer of the given data. Okay, so let's start. We do it simply using Excel. Let's select this cell. Then you can for correlation you can use the formula tab, or you can write directly over here. So for us demonstration, let's say we are go to formula tab. Then from here you have to go more function and statistics, and here we have to choose correlation. Okay, now in array 1 we select the data over here. From here, okay, in array 2 we took rainfall data, that is from B to B36, and that's all. Okay, here we are doing the relationship between so this is a simple few steps, or you can just write the formula over here like equal to CORREL correlation between this data and this data. Okay, so here you will get the correlation between yield of crop and the rainfall. Okay, so what we get that the correlation coefficient between the yield of crop and the amount of rainfall is 8.0.832. Okay, so we can conclude that there is a high positive correlation between the yield of the crop and the amount of rainfall of the given data. Okay, now similarly you can do the correlation, you can check the correlation between other data also. Okay, let's see, let I do it for between yield of crop and the fertilizer. Okay, just copy this formula, nothing else. Here I'm going to change. Okay, that's all. Now I'm going to check the correlation between 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3 means rainfall and the fertilizer. Okay, and again simply copy the formula just here copy the formula, nothing else. Just select the B's data. Here it is, right? So now we compute the correlation coefficient between the, this is yield of crop and the amount of fertilizer, and the amount of fertilizer, this one are 1 2 3, the fertilizer and the rainfall, okay, in the respective cells. Okay, so now to conclude the this video, that the correlation coefficient between the yield of crop and the amount of fertilizer is this 0.908. So it means that the crop yield and the amount of fertilizer are highly positive correlated. However, the correlation coefficient between the amount of fertilizer and rainfall is 0.71. Okay, so it means that the amount of fertilizer and rainfall are moderately positively correlated for the given data. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any comment or if you have no further information, just write to me. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you and bye bye.